So for the first problem is regarding obesity. Obesity is recognized as a major determinant of non-communicable disease such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes mellitus, gallbladder disease, and also musculoskeletal disorder such as osteoarthritis. So for the second one is regarding about chronic inflammation that has been associated with the pathology of a range of disease including atherosclerosis and cardiovascular disease, cancer, dementia, inflammatory bowel disease, and also metabolic disease linked with diabetes and also obesity. So for the third problem or issue is regarding to our focus on the safe dosage of every herbs that have been used in order to produce safe product to the consumer. So for the information, our product that have been invented follow the dosage that have been prepared by FDA guideline. So that's why this product is focused on the safe dosage. So for the next one or for the next problem is regarding about the synthetic supplement or drug is widely used and consumed to treat obesity and inflammatory disease, which is a relatively high cost and toxic to human health. So previous research did not focus on the combination of the herbs in order to maximize the potential of the herbs as food supplement and also as a natural medicine. So this is also problem statement. The reason why we invented our product. First one, Malaysia has recently been ranked second highest in East and Southeast Asia in terms of being overweight, and for 4 FDA approved oral weight loss drugs have been developed. So all these drugs basically have their own side effect. So that's why we invented our product that is basically we use natural product that are preferably used due to their effectiveness in managing overweight through several mechanisms. And also this product also prove can treat inflammatory disease.
The objectives are: first, to improve health and prevent chronic disease; second, to increase life expectancy by support the body function; and the last but not least is to reduce the number of obese people, as the obesity is now recognized as a global issue.
So for the solution, for the next part that we want to explain to all of you about the solution or about the product itself. So the use of herbal medicine is a pharmacologic modality in preventing human disease, has received a wide attention from several researchers. So for the first herbs that we use is curcumin, which is provide multiple positive benefit for health, including anti-nausea effect, antioxidant effect, anti-inflammatory effect, anti-diabetic properties, and also improve lipid parameters. These parameters are very important in order to reduce weight and to reduce fat in our body. So piperine is used to increase the bioavailability of other herbs, which is focusedly on curcumin, ginger, and also VCO or virgin coconut oil. So ginger consumption could reduce serum triglyceride and total cholesterol and LDL-C in patient. So this parameter also is very important to reduce weight and also to reduce fat in our body. So virgin coconut oil exhibit an inhibitory effect on chronic inflammation by reducing the transudative weight, granuloma formation, and also serum alkaline phosphate activity. In other research also tell that VCO so based on other researcher tell that VCO also can increase the bioavailability of other herbs. So that's why VCO is very recommended to being used in our nutraceutical product. Besides, VCO also exhibit the inhibitory effect on chronic inflammation. So that's why we select VCO to produce our nutraceutical product, or to produce our nutraceutical capsule. So for the next slide, tells us about how or what is specifically the bioactive compound that can treat the inflammatory disease. So basically, the bioactive compound that contained in our nutraceutical product is 6-dehydroshogol, 6-shogol, 6-gingerol, carotenoids, polyphenol. So all these bioactive compound can treat the inflammatory disease. So that's why our nutraceutical capsule is very efficient to reduce weight, or to fight or to treat obesity, and also to treat inflammatory disease.
The first step of process is preparation of all ingredients. First, turmeric powder 250 gram, ginger powder 20 gram, black pepper powder 25 gram, red chili powder 15 gram, and virgin coconut oil 125 ml. Next is heating treatment. The paste will heating at temperature 90 degrees Celsius for only 10 minutes, and it is important to activate the bioactive compound. The third step is preparation to put in the oven. The fourth step is put in the oven for 24 hours and it must 60 degrees Celsius. Next step is take the sample for further analysis, and the last step we put them in the capsule. This sketch shows that we improve our product by adding VCO, which is virgin coconut oil. VCO is famous with its function in increased bioavailability and anti-inflammatory. The next improvement is we substitute the gelatin capsule with veggie capsule. This is because it is easily to absorb and digested by the body. Furthermore, it is the most advantage because it is acceptable to vegetarians.
Next improvement is temperature. When the paste is treated at temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, after storage, there will be fungi occurred on the paste. It means that the paste is not durable for a longer period. But when the temperature is changed between 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, after storage, the paste will still be in a good condition. Therefore, we choose to treat the paste between 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, where actually 90 degrees Celsius is the best temperature to be used. The last one is dosage. When compared to aspirin, aspirin has more side effects such as upset stomach, drowsiness, and mild headache. This is because aspirin is a synthetic drug. But nutraceutical is made of organic substances which make it safe to use and have no side effect and no toxicity. The amount of dosage used is also controlled, referred to the FDA, Food and Drug Administration.
SWOT analysis. First is strength. The strength are low-cost products, low cost of innovation, manufacturing, and operations. The next is weakness. The weakness of the product are less financial support and less experience to market the product. And the third is opportunities. The opportunities for the product is global demand for health solution, positive review of experts, and healthcare awareness camp can increase the product's value. And the last is trades. The trade is competitor from other advanced technology manufacturing, and the perception of consumers that new product having a quality and reliability issues.
So for this section is about the BSA essay or the analysis that we carry on to prove that our product have anti-inflammatory effect. So this result show in a percentage, or that we can say that anti-inflammatory effect of nutraceutical in percentage value. So we compared with aspirin, that all of you know that aspirin is the synthetic drugs that have been used to treat inflammatory disease. So for this, every section is based on the based on the consumption for the patient. So 0.1 gram per ml is based on the amount of capsule that been taken by the consumer or patient. So for this section, if the patient take 2 pieces of capsule, so the anti-inflammatory effect shows 35.5%. So for this section, for the patient who take 4 pieces of capsule, and for this one, for the patient who take 6 pieces of capsule. So the difference between the nutraceutical capsule compared to aspirin is about 4%, slightly lower than aspirin. Even though the nutraceutical product or nutraceutical capsule have a lower inflammatory effect, but it is very recommended to take the capsule because, like I tell you before, it doesn't have a side effect, doesn't have toxicity effect, and also relatively low cost compared to the aspirin. So for this section, shown the product itself, our nutraceutical capsule, and also for this at the up and also at the bottom self shown the design of packaging if our product is commercialized. So we name our product as Comeric, which is consists of combination of curcumin, turmeric, ginger, VCO, and also black pepper.
In conclusion, this product is new invention in treating obesity and anti-inflammatory disease using organic substances. This nutraceutical product do not have any side effects just like aspirin. It being formulated by using 5 herbs, which is turmeric, ginger, black pepper, chili pepper, and virgin coconut oil. The product itself is being tested to compare its efficiency with aspirin. Furthermore, the quantity of the dosage is being tested and referred to FDA. So this product is really safe to consume compared to aspirin. And the most important is the cost of this capsule is slightly lower compared to aspirin.